Hello. I am here on my Google map that we have created for our trip to Hawaii, and I am just recording this to go through everything that we have here and everything that this Google map can do. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was how do you zoom in? Now, you can see me dragging this around. All I'm doing is clicking the left clicker on my mouse right now. And you can see I can drag it all the way out to the ocean and drag it back. You can also zoom in. If you don't have a mouse, you can click this little plus button to zoom in, or you can use your mouse scroller to zoom in. But the other cool thing that Google Maps can do is if you press and hold Shift, I can see the side view of everything and it can become 3D. Now I can see the mountains. I can go look at our house from the side. And do all of that just by clicking Shift and moving the side view. Now if I want to go back, I can either hold Shift again and just turn my screen back, or an easier way to do that if I'm already on side view is just to click this little 2D button here at the bottom, and it should. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk about was what are all these little places and how do I see more on them? Now, you can see whenever I put my cursor over them, it'll kind of make them just a little bit bigger, and I'll highlight them here on the side of my screen. When I click them, it'll give me a little overview here at the bottom or at the top, and I will click more info. Now Google will give me more pictures that I can look at, things about this place. And if you wanted to read even more, you can click Wikipedia, and then I can just click out of here. And the other thing I can do is I can click this little fly here button. When I click that, it should send me to wherever I was looking at, and it'll zoom in. Now you can see this screen is starting to rotate, so when I zoom out, it kind of has the island now all wonky on the screen. Now at the bottom here you see this little compass thing. If you double click that and then click the side of the compass, it should turn my screen back to the original position it was in. The other thing I wanted to talk about was what do each of these symbols here that we have mean? You can see their symbols and colors. So right now we have um, any food places that we're going to, like this shaved ice place here, as orange with this little fast food symbol. There's this little hiker guy for hiking trails, and it's represented by green. We have blue with this little umbrella. And for any activities we're doing around the island, we have it as yellow and this dolphin. The only shopping place that we have here right now is Costco, but any shopping place that we might be adding is red with a shopping cart, and our house is just black. And the last thing I wanted to talk about is how to add a place. Now you can see this new feature button at the top here. You can either add a place mark, draw a line or shape, or as we will most likely be doing, is searching to add a place. Now I'm just going to look around. What's the first thing I see? Ewa Beach, and I'm just going to search that, press enter. It'll load and send me directly to Ewa Beach. And then you can see this little add project thing at the bottom here of the little overview, and I'll click that. Now you could just save it and it would be in there as a red marker with no symbol, but I can also click edit place. Now that allows me to add a little symbol here. I can do whatever color I want. Say this greenish blue, and you can see everywhere where it is. Or you can even replace the little overview that Google already gives you. I can add an image here. I can type my own little response. And you can do all of that. And then all I have to do to save it, since we have autosave, is just click this little back button and it'll show up here. I can edit it again by just clicking that little pencil button, or by clicking the three dots, I can delete this. And that is our whole Google map. Thank you for watching my little video.